Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful Ganesh or Laddu Gopal Singhasan, and all the materials required are best out of West, and it is very pretty and very easy to make. Now first I have taken this Paris Baguette cake box and I've drawn this pattern and the circles for the background of the Singhasan. Then I have done the cutting and taken a piece of thermocol half circle, and I'll be covering it with colored chart paper. Now I have cut the foam pieces according to the shape of the peacock, and for the tail I have taken green color foam sheets and I'll be sticking it with glue gun. After that I have taken Fevicryl 3D outliner in the shade yellow, and I'll be doing the details of the tail of the peacock with this. I have also done the wings and the eyes with the same 3D outliner. After that I'll stick two foam pieces in the shade yellow for the crown of the peacock. Keeping it aside for drying. Then I'll stick a piece of cloth over the thermocol piece. Then I'll take yellow foam sheet in the petal shapes and stick so that it looks like a flower. Now I'll stick the lace and some rhinestone crystals for decorating the Singhasan. Now after that I have cut few green chart paper pieces and sticking it so that it looks like the leaves.
Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place.
Then have stuck a piece of red chart paper for clean finish at the bottom of the Singhasan. Then I'll stick the background cardboard onto the thermocol piece. Then I'll be sticking some more rhinestone crystals for decorating the background. And after that I've stuck few paper roses. Now If you want to learn how to make these paper roses, then please comment below so that I can make a video separately on how to make these paper roses. These are very easy to make, and only what we need are chart paper and glue. Then after that, I'll be sticking the 2 peacocks over it.
Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Keep your eyes on the prize. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right.
And then I'll be filling out the empty spaces with the flowers and some paper leaves.
Crazy world, step up, girl. You got what it takes. They always say don't make waves. Don't you listen? No. You gotta speak up, speak up. You gotta dare and speak your mind. You gotta get loud, or you'll always be behind. 'Cause girl, you gotta let 'em know.
And we are done with the Singhasan. After sticking some sequences for the decoration, and look how pretty it looks. We are done with this Singhasan.
You need a man to keep you down, 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 down. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight.
If you do like my video, please like, share and comment, and please subscribe to my channel for more such cute haul videos and DIY videos. Till then, bye!